Alright YouTube, I'm going to unbox this PowerSound Audio MTM210T tower speaker. Put that over there for now. This is the bottom. I'm going to edit this out, but just going to take this off of here. So it comes with these legs here, and so I'm going to put these legs on here, but I'm going to edit that part out of the video. You don't need to see me screwing in the legs. So we'll pick this up back up when I put the legs in, and then have it standing up like that one over there. All right. I'm just going to finger tighten them for now. Some of this out. These are the way they're supposed to go. Just in case anybody else does this. I'm just going to tighten them in. Alright. So they're all in there, just for the sake of the video. Start again. All right. So I'll take this off just to show you. All right. Hopefully this was filmed better than my last one. Yeah, so this is the MTM 210T tower speaker from Power Sound Audio. So this is going to be my front left channel. This is my front right channel. And then there's my center channel right there. So after I set them up, I'm going to hook everything up and do Odyssey and then give them a listen. And I will say again that the packages are extremely well packaged. This was just delivered regular FedEx. Speakers look in perfect condition for me. Nothing, no dents, no scratches. So the packaging is really good. I'm happy about that because these are not cheap speakers. So, all right. So stay tuned for, probably I'll do a demo video or something like that. All right.